Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a list to your trip plan on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then click on trip plans in the middle and then select a trip. Click on overview and then you should scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see this new list button, so tap on it. Then you should type in the title, add the place to it, or you can add notes to your list by tapping on this post-it button, or you can add bullet points by tapping on the bullet points button. So you have three options here. Here you can add your notes to this add your notes here box, so type it in, and once you have typed in your note, you can put a check mark into the box in the upper right corner of this box, and you can also get rid of it by tapping on the bin icon, or you can start your checklist by adding items. So type it in and again tap onto the circle, and you can put a check mark into it and it will be strike through. As you can see, the letter is strike through. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.